Tanya and Terrell, this case will determine the future of cash bail here in Illinois. One side arguing the Safety Act is unconstitutional, the other arguing that the General Assembly has the right to regulate pretrial procedure. The Illinois Supreme Court heard oral arguments this morning in a case challenging the Safety Act. The controversial law took effect on January 1st. Part of it eliminates the use of cash bail. A lower court judge placed the act on hold after prosecutors across the state filed lawsuits challenging the law's constitutionality. Now it's up to the Illinois Supreme Court to make a final decision.
The Circuit Court's sweeping decision setting aside the Safety Act's pretrial release provisions should be reversed.
Under the law, judges could no longer require people to pay money in order to leave jail while they await trial. Instead, judges could only keep a person behind bars if they meet a certain criteria showing they're a flight or a safety risk. Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul has said in the past that there's nothing in the state constitution requiring cash bail. And secondly,
the General Assembly has concurrent constitutional authority to regulate pretrial procedure in Illinois, as it has done for 6 decades via the Code of Criminal Procedure.
This morning, attorneys trying to overturn the Safety Act arguing that lawmakers can't get rid of cash bail without changing the Constitution first. They also say it puts law enforcement in danger.
This act requires them to serve, for instance, notice to appear and then a warrant on 2 occasions. We've now doubled the number of instances where law enforcement is going to come into contact with perhaps a fugitive.
Longtime Will County State's Attorney James Glasgow was at the hearing this morning. He's also hoping to overturn the act.
In this one, we feel very strongly that it's a serious public safety issue, but at the same time, we want to join in the fight towards reforming bail.
The Illinois Supreme Court took the case under advisement this morning, but a decision could take weeks. Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul saying this morning that he's confident that the act won't be overturned.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.